All right, Tesla fam. Today we're going to be diving into how to fine tune your Tesla's auto park settings. So this feature, makes parking a breeze, but by adjusting a few settings, you can make it even more accurate, guys, and suited to your needs. So let's get started, guys. So first things first. Actually, I just wanted you to follow the outline of the steps I have attached here at the top left for you guys. So what you want to do, guys, is first things first, you want to access the auto park settings, right? First, tap on controls on your touchscreen, then go to autopilot, and you just want to look for the auto park feature. So under the options, this is where you manage all your parking preferences. So first things first, guys, make sure that auto park is toggled on. This allows the car to automatically steer and actually park for you, okay, when you're in a suitable space. And if you haven't enabled it already, guys, simply switch this setting to on. And Tesla allows you to actually adjust the sensitivity of auto park. You can actually head to the settings and fine tune the park assist sensitivity. Okay, you can fine tune that. You can choose between different levels based on your preference. Whether you want a more cautious approach or you want a quicker parking method. So you can actually customize the way auto park handles different types of parking. So if you actually prefer parallel parking over perpendicular or vice versa, you can adjust those settings to match your common parking scenarios. Okay, you can do a lot of things, guys. And then what you want to do is you want to test the auto park feature in a few different parking situations to ensure that it's actually working as you'd like. So you want to fine tune the settings if necessary to get the most precise parking performance, right, guys? And that's it, guys. With these simple adjustments, your Tesla's auto park feature will work even better, making parking effortless every single time. Also, guys, what I want you to do is check out the link in the description, guys, to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further, guys. And as always, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video, guys. Smash that subscribe button, guys. Go